Hey everybody, Preston with Ag. On this week's Tech Tuesday video, we're going to take a closer look at the new Orion Flowmeters from SurePoint Ag Systems. SurePoint Ag Systems has always set themselves apart with their flow meters. They have always used an electromagnetic flow meter on their pumps from the early days until now. Now the Orion will make the third generation of flow meters, electromagnetic flow meters. So we're going to do a quick rundown on them. This one here would be the second generation flow meter from SurePoint. We got a pump brought in for a service. We started looking at the flow meters. We had it on our test stand. Customer stated he was having consistent flow issues. At the end of the season, we started looking through things, took the pump apart, got it back into good shape, and as we started looking at the control system, we realized that this flow meter wasn't working right. He had stated that he was having to change his flow cal a little bit through the end of the year to make things work right. So we hooked it up today, and the flow meter was actually failed. So we're going to be replacing it with a new Orion Flowmeter. The flow meters, the new Orion flow meters, they're a little better internals on them as compared to the older ones. The version before this was the gray flow meter with the pigtail. It's got better internals. Another good feature is we're using a Deutsch connector, so a little better weatherproof connector there. On the Orions, they, instead of having 4 or 5 different flow meter sizes with different flow ranges, we now have 3. We have the small one that will go on like marksman pumps or really low rate systems. This one that we're going to be replacing on this pump is a 0.2 to 24 gallon a minute. So that's going to go on our electric tower pumps. That's going to go on our PR17s. And then the size above this is going to be a 1.5 gallon a minute to a 58 gallon a minute. So that's going to cover our PR30s, our PR40s, and our D250 pumps, the big ones. So Orion flow meters, this is the new flow meter from SurePoint Ag. If you got any more questions about the Orion flow meter, reach out to anybody at Godsey Ag, and we'd love to answer any questions. With that, appreciate you watching this week's Tech Tuesday.